Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to Pakistan International School Blended E-Learning Session 2020-21. Dear students, today we will start new chapter number 6. The chapter title is Formatting in Word 2013. Word 2013 is a word processing software which we use to compose our letters, drafts, notes, etc. And formatting means making changes to the default settings of any word processing. And here we will make changes. We will know how to make changes in Word 2013 default setting. The settings that are standard or predefined in a software are called default settings. But we can make changes to these settings, and that changes are called formatting. In class 3, you have learned basic formatting features of Word 2013, and now in this chapter we will explore some other formatting features such as page, column, and paragraph formatting. And in this lecture we will learn about page formatting, setting margins using rulers, and changing orientation of the page. So let's start from page formatting. So page formatting is making changes to the settings of a page, and that all settings or changes can be done from the tab in tab menus, that is called page layout tab of the Word 2013, as it is shown in the video as a page formatting. By clicking the page layout, you can see there are some group of commands that are called page setup, paragraph, and arrange. As you can see in the picture, at very left side of the left layout options, there is a one command or option known as the margins. Margins are the amount of white space between the text and the edge of the page on all four sides. The default settings of the top, bottom, and left and right side margins in Word 2013 is 1 inch. Now, in these settings of margin, we can change the space of the margins at all four sides according to our requirement. We can increase the margin from 1 inch to 1.5, 1.3, whatever you want, or also you can decrease the margins according to your requirement. To change the margin settings, we have different ways to change them. Here we will learn how to change the page margin settings by using page layout tab. First of all, you have to click the page layout tab. In the page layout tab, there is a page setup group of commands. In the page setup group, click margins, and there will be a drop down list of the margin sizes. Click on any margin you want to set, either normal or any other, and just select the desired page margin type and click on it. That margin size or margin will be applied on your page. You can also specify your own margin settings. The steps to specify margin settings are: click on margins, then click on custom margins, specify top, bottom, left and right margins, and then click OK. In custom margins, you have to specify, means you have to assign the size of top, left, right and bottom margins in centimeters. Once you have selected the margin size, after that you have to click on OK, and the margin will be set according to your settings. And now we will learn how to make changes in the settings of margins by using ruler bars. First of all, you have to display the ruler bar on your page if it is not already displaying at top and left sides. So to display the ruler bar at both vertical and horizontally, click on the view tab. In the view tab, select the ruler from show group of commands. As you will select the ruler from view tab in the show group of commands, the horizontal and vertical rulers will display on your page. On the horizontal and vertical ruler bars, the shaded parts depicts the margins as shown in the figure. The top margin is indicated by the top shaded part of the vertical ruler, and the bottom margin is indicated by the bottom shaded part of the vertical ruler. By using these ruler bars, we can make changes in the margins. To change the margin setting for the right margin, place the mouse pointer on right margin boundary. The pointer changes to a double-headed arrow called the margin marker, as you can see in the figure, and then drag the margin marker to the desired location, and in this way the margin space will be changed. In this way we can make changes to any side of the margin of the any side, either left margin, right margin, top margin or bottom margin. And now we will learn about the page orientation. How to change the orientation of the page. Actually, orientation refers to the direction along the length or along the width in which the page is printed. The paper orientation can be either portrait, document printed along the width of the paper, or landscape. Document will be printed along the length of the paper. So this is called the orientation or page orientation. By default in Word 2013, the page orientation is set to the portrait orientation. The examples of both orientations, portrait and landscape, are given here in the pictures. And now we will learn how to change the page orientation by using page layout tab. So first of all, from the tabs, click on page layout. In the page layout tab, click on orientation command or option. Once you click on orientation, you can see there are two type of orientations displayed over there. First one is portrait, that is already selected, and the second one is landscape. If you, as I told you, if you want to change from portrait to landscape, just click on landscape orientation. The page orientation will be changed. In Word 2013 or in any word processing software, the default page orientation is portrait page orientation. So if you want to change it, just click on landscape. There are two type of orientation, either landscape, either portrait. By default, the page is set to the portrait orientation. We can also change the orientation of the page by using page setup group. For that, you have to click on layout tab. In the page setup group, click on margins. From the margin command, select the custom margin at the bottom of the given commands. In the custom margins, as you click on custom margin, a page setup dialog box will display. You can select any required orientation from this page setup dialog box and click OK. Thank you very much for watching. and we will give you the worksheet. You have to complete it and send it to me back by using WhatsApp, and as usual we were doing previously before summer vacations. And in next lecture we will learn chapter 6, formatting in Word 2013, and the topics will be covered: setting paper size, inserting a page break, column formatting, and paragraph formatting. Once again, thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.